Justin, a storm has broken out at Jamia Millia Islamia after a professor from the Department of Social Work was suspended for setting an exam question that asked students to discuss the atrocities against Muslim minorities in India with examples. In fact, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has now ordered a probe. They've stepped in, calling the question malicious, and they are currently looking into this entire situation. As you know, Jamia Millia Islamia is a central university. It has a diverse student population. The question the INB ministry has said in its first response displays malicious intent. Tejashree Purandare has been tracking the latest. She joins us with all the developments. Tejashree, what exactly was this question and what action has been taken against the professor who framed this question?
See, as of now, the professor has been, suspended as far as this entire controversy is concerned. The Jamia Millia Islamia University has suspended the professor. Let me tell you that this question was of 15 marks, and we saw that how as soon as this paper went viral on social media, there was a lot of outrage, and then action was immediately taken. Needs to be seen that whether an FIR will be filed on this matter or not, because the officials from the university have been telling that as of now there is no intent to file the FIR on this entire matter. But let me tell you that this entire paper was on social problems in India, and that was the BA Honours Social Work first semester examination that was held, and it was a 15 marks question where the students were asked to write about the atrocities taking place on Muslims in India by also citing examples. Now we have also seen that how INB also in fact have condemn this entire kind of question that was included in the paper, but now needs to be seen that what happens next as far as this development is concerned. Definitely it will also be turn into a political war of words, because something like this to be asked in the paper is not very much acceptable. It needs to be seen that what happens next, because seems like the political parties will also be asking for an FIR to be filed, to be registered, because this was something which was asked in the paper officially to the students by the professor. So as of now, the latest development is the professor has been suspended. Needs to be seen that whether any committee is formed to examine this entire matter or a complaint is registered by any of the group.